wouldn't dare. Brr, I better ask Sue. Sue, do you by any chance know what happened to the bathtub?
What? Huh? What are you talking about?
Someone has filled it with sand. How am I gonna take my bath now?
Well…
Susan?
I'm sorry, Sammy. I did that. I only wanted to try my new Kinetic scent recipe.
Why didn't you tell me that right away? I love Kinetic sand! Now that I've been outrageously denied my relaxing bath, I have decided all Kinetic sand you will make today will be mine!
Well, I guess that's only fair. Here I've got the most clean and fine grade sand I could ever find. Oh, it's so nice to the touch.
Well, is that it? Hey!
Whoops. Sorry, Sammy. Now we only need to add a few more ingredients to it. Do you know what this white powder is? It's cornstarch. It'll help us turn the regular scent into the magic one. We just need to mix everything properly.
Oh, let me do that, please!
We won't need the spoon.
Oh.
I'd better use my fingers. Oh, and Sammy, please no more sandcastles, okay?
Now why would you say that? Oh, I don't know what you're talking about!
Yeah, right. So the next ingredient we need is soapy water.
This recipe is pretty easy. Can we complicate it just a little bit, huh?
Why on earth would we do that? I want all our friends to be able to repeat it at home. Wow, just look at its texture now. It's just the way it should be. I've decided that we will be making our Kinetic scent in 3 colors. So I have 3 separate bowls here. Friends, while I'm at it, take a second to hit that subscribe button, will you? This way you won't miss our new craft videos. And here comes the bowl number 3. This feeling truly is amazing. The sand runs through my fingers so funny. Sammy, could you get me some glitter, please?
That's unexpected. Coming right up. Glitter, glitter, where can I find you? Whoa! Is it a charmed forest? Great! I know exactly what to do. Glitter, yoo-hoo! Get into my jar. I have a special mission assigned for ya. Now we're talking. More! I need more! Susie, I got you the most adventurous glitter of all.
Oh, that sounds amazing. And it looks so beautiful. Thanks, Sammy. Let's open the lid and pour some blue glitter over here. Naturally, we need to do some more mixing again. Here we go. Remember, friends, the better you do that, the prettier your Kinetic sand will turn out. Now let's add some blue coloring. Oh, and don't forget at this stage to protect your hands with gloves. Otherwise, you'll end up with blue Smurf hands.
That's a good one, Susie. Hey, can I pick the next color and try doing that thing too?
Oh, of course, Sammy. You know it's almost mandatory to get creative when making our crafts. After all, it's the only way to have as much fun as you can.
Oh, awesome! I've long been waiting to use this purple beauty. There can't be too much glitter, right? Here we go! Oh, yeah! Check out what I can do, Susie! Whoa! Whoa! Mayday! Mayday! Sam's overboard!
That serves you right. Bragging is really bad, Sammy. It is good that it's not so hard to put our magic sand back into the bowl. Okay, just a few more grains of sand. And it's time for some purple coloring. Remember, friends, the more drops you add, the more vibrant color you get. Oh, I actually didn't mean to make a rhyme. Anyway, where was I?
You were helping me out with that mixing thing. Oh, you're such a devoted friend, Susie.
Right back at you. Oh, I really can't stop playing with it. The color is amazing, isn't it? But we have one more portion of sand to make bright, right? Let's get to that.
I kinda already did make it bright.
Wow! Sammy, I applaud your choice of colors. This red is just perfect. It reminds me of something, but I can't get a hang of it. Right! The red velvet cake! But I don't even think of eating our magic sand, folks. Besides, we have some other plans for it. For example, we can do this. Isn't it mesmerizing? Playing with kinetic sand is actually both entertaining and relaxing. And it is very good for developing fine motor skills, too.
What? Really? How so?
Well, playing with it provides a whole range of sensory experiences. Look, you can not only touch it with your fingers, but also use different molds, cutters, and other instruments, even beads.
Interesting. How come I didn't think of that?
Maybe you should play with the sand more, Sammy. You might get you some extra quality time for thinking. Okay, now I really want to dig in. Oh, it's such a fun kind of ticklish feeling, and I really don't want to stop. But fine, enough with the red sand. We haven't played with the purple yet. And check out what I want to do this time.
Hey, wait! What is that inside the pile of sand? Are those some kind of snowflakes?
I guess you could say that. And there's so many of them. Cool! Oh, what a cute little fishy we've got. Let's smoosh it and smash it and see what we'll get this time. Wow! This is really satisfying, you know? Oh, I just can't get enough of this.
So, you sound scary, you know.
Oh, Sammy, you know what I mean. Now, a little bit of regular cutting. Here we go. What does this remind you of, friends? To me, it looks like some kind of a blue wave that crashes against a cliff.
Wow, you sound poetic, Sue. But then you just cut poor seahorse into pieces.
It's not a real seahorse, Sammy. Let's say it's my customized meditation practice. So shush, I'm trying to relax here. This is such a cool way to release the stress. Sammy, are you still here?
Yup, I'm keeping down as you told me to. You know, I don't want to mess with your relaxation, stress-relieving, feng shui, whatever process.
Smart. Alrighty. I think I'm nearly done for today. Let me just smoosh this purple sand a bit.
I'm feeling relaxed already, I can tell! And I'm not concerned anymore about that sand in my bathtub from earlier today. Not even a bit! Sue, it was lit!
I'm glad you like it.
No, I loved it! You have to try to do that too, friends!
Thanks for being with us today. We love you all. And see you soon!